So I'm going to teach you how to set up Roblox Studio in your laptop. So in order to do that first, you need to search in Google Roblox Studio. Now, in order to find the link to the Roblox Studio, you need to scroll down and find the Roblox www.roblox.com, and the what input is here, creator dashboard Roblox. Click only that. So in order for you to download the application of Roblox Studio, you just need to click start creating. It will give you the link of the Roblox Studio application of how to download it. So you just need to click here. Unlike me, I already have Roblox Studio. So let's say you already download Roblox Studio and you want to move forward. So you only need log in your account. So when logging your account, let's say you already have a account in Roblox, the one that you used to play with other people, the one you used to join servers to join different types of games. So you need to just only insert your username like me and insert your password. As you can see, it already logged in my Roblox player account, even if I'm using Roblox Studio. So in other words, Roblox Studio is connected to Roblox player, since Roblox Studio is the one that you use to edit worlds or server or games that you played in Roblox Studio. So the next part will be now opening your Roblox Studio. So in order for you to do that, it's just by clicking here, start creating, and open here. It will bring you to Roblox Studio. Now, as you can see in here, when you have a new account, it will show you a quick tutorial how you can use or navigate through Roblox Studio. So let's show you. Let me show you one of the world that I am using as a tester, where I figure out how to use Roblox Studio. Let me remove this first. Now, in Roblox Studio, you want to know how you can look up, look down, look left, or move forward, move downward, move left. Okay, now, if you want to look around, you just need to click the right click of the mouse. You have to click right click, as you can hear that. You can right click and you can look around the world without moving. So now, if you want to move forward, you only need to look at your keyboard and see the alphabetical. You need to only click W. W is, let me look forward. W is move forward. As for the letter S is move backward. And let's say you want to move to the left and right. Left movement is letter A, and right movement is letter D. Now, let's say you want to move up and down, right? You want to move upward and downward. You only need to click Q for downward. As you can see, we're pacing through down the map or the world that we created, and going up is only letter E. So it's very simple. Letter W is forward, letter S is backward, letter A is left, letter D is right, and letter Q is downward, and letter E is upward. So